For the past month, I've been talking about the unintended consequences of rising interest rates, not only on the consumer, but also on businesses. And we saw the first of that just last night in Tesla's earnings report. Sales are down, shipments are down, prices are down, meaning that margins are down. And I think we're going to see more and more of that as we go forward. Now, Tesla is no doubt a major player in the AI market and will rebound, but we've got to get through this. So what I've done is create a list of about 32 stocks that are going to be the major players in the artificial intelligence revolution, and both in hardware and software. And then what I've done is done some financial analysis, some technical analysis with the help of Mark, and I've established a cheat sheet. This is the cheat sheet. And what it does is it shows me the rankings of these stocks based on their financial position as well as their technical position. And then what I've done is created through technical analysis a buy-in price. Now, 4 of the stocks have come within 7% of that buy-in price just today. That includes Apple, ASML, Microsoft, and Tesla. So what I do then is put in an order, a good to cancel order, at my buy price and wait and see. That gives me a 60-day price. I then every day review where they are relative to that price, look at the charts, and then make a decision. Do I want to keep it where it's at, or do I want to modify it? What I want to do in this video is show you step by step how I create this cheat sheet, what's behind it, how I use it, where it comes up on my computer every day so I can be alerted. Am I getting closer? Is this the right time? This is how I buy stocks. I want to share it with you in this video. I'll take you all the way through to placing the order in my brokerage account. This is not financial advice. This is just pure financial education. How do you analyze stocks? How do you analyze charts? And how do you place orders? We'll get right to it.
Best of Us Investors presents Kerry Griegmeyer.
This is where you find my cheat sheet, if you will. You come up here and you click on services. Then you come over to the platinum level and you put your cursor on bus portfolio long-term analysis, and you get this pop-up menu, and you come over to the pop-up menu and you click on a bus portfolio cheat sheet, and this is what comes up. This then is the cheat sheet, and what you'll see is my analysis both from a financial point of view, particularly considering their debt and the cost of holding that debt, and I'll show you where I do that analysis. Then my technical analysis, which I do from my trading views charts, and then Mark's analysis. I'll show you that as well. And then where I am at this point. Then what I do is from that information, I create a target price. Now, I've blotted out most of the target prices because my Patreon members and my Discord members basically pay for this information, so I've blotted it out. Then I indicate when the earnings call is, because if we know when the earnings call, as we've learned just today from Tesla, earnings call was last night, that has a major influence on what this price is going to be. I then show, and this is cued to the stock market, so this changes as it moves, as the price changes, and then I do a calculation of what is the current price relative to my target price. And as you can see, Apple right now is at 5% of my target price. So as that comes below 100%, I put in a buy order. Let's look at Tesla as an example here. Tesla now, this morning, because it's down below $125, is within 6% of my target price. So this I come to every morning and it gives me cues as to should I buy or shouldn't I buy. Now let's look at how I construct this and start with debt analysis. Okay, this is where I do my debt analysis. As you can see, I've again listed all of the stocks that are in my BUS 12 and BUS 13 portfolios. I've got their current price, their current revenues, their earnings or income from 2023, earnings per share, and then I analyze their debt. What's their current debt based, and then what's the cost of that debt based on current interest rates? And as interest rates go up, and then I subtract the cost of servicing that debt at a higher interest rate and project what their future income is. And then what that does, I compare their future income to their most current income, and I come up with a percentage of what that's going to be. I have an error message here, but that'll change. And I go through and do that for each and every one of the stocks and then rate them, and that goes over to my cheat sheet. Then what I want to do is I take it to my trading views and I analyze the stock from a technical point of view. So this is ASML, which is within 5% of my buy target. And how do I decide on what that buy target is? On ASML right now, it's $565. Well, I've bought a program that I put into my trading views that gives me a history of where artificial intelligence would have said was the buy and sell points on ASML. And as you can see, sold here on February the 21st, and then bought back in on March the 17th, sold again on April the 19th. And so that's where we are. And so ASML is currently under a sell signal that came out on July the 20th, 2023, and has not given me a buy indication as of yet. So where do I consider buying? Well, my buy price on ASML is $565. So its support level right there is $564.91. Its Fibonacci retracement, this is a study which says this stock has run up substantially and will probably retrace its path up to 50% or as high as 78%. The 50% retracement is at $569.70. So that's where I'm saying I want to potentially buy in. Now, its next support level is all the way down here at 360. I don't believe from the financial analysis that I've done it will go that far, but I believe it will break this 563, and that's where I'll put my signal in. That's how I constructed my cheat sheet. Now, let's go back to the website and go back to services, go back to the BUS portfolio, and this is where Mark has analyzed my holdings and then given me his recommendations. So I put that with the technical analysis that I've gotten from TradingViews and add Mark's knowledge over the years, and that's how I then come up with, is it time to buy, is it time to sell, and where is the time to buy and sell? Now let's go and see how we place the order in order to get the price that we want. So I go into my brokerage account and I say I want to buy 50 shares of ASML. And remember, my target price was $565. And I want to put in a good to cancel 60-day maximum. I enter that there. I tell them the account that I want it to go into. I preview my order. It's going to be a $28,250 order, and I send it. Now, is it going to fail right now? No, we're substantially away from that, but I come back and I can click on here and every day check on my order, and then if I choose to, if I learn more I can modify it, and then I make that change on my cheat sheet. That's how I manage my portfolio. That's how I share how I manage my portfolio with my tribe. And so how can you gain access to this information? Well, let's go back to the website and I'll walk you through it. Here we are at the homepage of the website. If you page down, you get a little bit of an intro of what the BUS 12 and the BUS 13 portfolio is. And then you come to our membership page. And the Platinum is the first that's listed. And what it basically does is give you the swing trading, weekly swing trading list, the horizon list of stocks under the 200-day moving average, some that we kind of see this as a potential to find a 5-6 banger. Then you have your swing trading buy and sell alerts, your swing trading educational videos, access to your weekly Friday Platinum stock call. That's something I do every Friday to our tribe members. Access to the Guru portfolios, Kerry's stock analysis of buy, sell, and hold alerts, the 3-year growth projection, and the portfolio risk management. So that's basically where all this information is. Then we have the Platinum, which is something less, gets into my portfolio, but it doesn't get into how I construct it and the daily alerts and things of that nature. And then the Tribe is just the Discord where people come and talk, exchange ideas. And so that's what that's all about. Then on the website, it shows the latest videos that we've come out with. The Platinum Swing Trading Morning Update. This is for people, and this is run by Mark, who want to make money on a daily basis and do some, not day trading, but swing trading. Then we have some educational videos. This is a part that we're going to build even further. This is my son, Trent. He does a lot of work in technical analysis as well. And then these are our links to our Instagram and some of the other elements that we have. So that's Best of Us Investors. We also have the Discord where you can, as I said, for $4 go and chat. That's all part of the other levels as well. If this is the kind of information that you'd like to have, if you'd like somebody to do the heavy lifting, if you will, I and Mark and Trent will do that for you, and you can come, and all you have to do is get on the bus and join our tribe.